Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use iPad for digital art. Autodesk Sketchbook is a powerful but easy to use drawing app. With thousands of 5-star ratings, this app has a minimalist, clean look that allows you to focus solely on drawing. Artists and illustrators worldwide love its highly customizable tools and elegant interface. You can choose between a vast range of brushes or customize your own. Precision becomes child's play with grids, stroke tools, and rulers. Autodesk Sketchbooks allows you to layer your work with various blending modes to build depth and color. Autodesk Sketchbook key features. Intuitive interface. Autodesk Sketchbook is known for its clean and intuitive user interface, providing a distraction-free environment for artists to focus on their creativity. Wide range of brushes. The app offers a diverse selections of brushes, pencils, and other drawing tools, allowing you to experiment with different textures and styles in your artwork. Customization options. Users can customize brushes and tools to suit their preferences. This includes adjusting brush sizes, opacity, and other parameters to achieve the desired artistic effects. Layer support. Sketchbook supports layers, enabling artists to work with multiple elements independently. Layers are essential for creating complex and detailed illustration. Symmetry tools. The app includes symmetry tools that allows artists to create symmetric design easily. This is particularly useful for character design, patterns, and other symmetrically balanced artwork. Time-lapse recording. Similar to Procreate, Autodesk Sketchbook offers time-lapse recording features, allowing you to record and share the progression of your drawings. Cross-platform compatibility. Autodesk Sketchbook is available not only for iPad, but also for other platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Android. This cross-platform compatibility allows users to work seamlessly across different devices. Community and resources. The Sketchbook community provides a platform for artists to share their work, exchange tips, and connect with others. Free version. Autodesk Sketchbook typically offers a free version with essential features, making it accessible to a broad using base. Users can purchase a subscription for additional features or the Pro version for more advanced capabilities. And regular updates. Autodesk provide regular updates to improve performance, introduce new features, and address any issues reported by users. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.